Okay. Uh, I just got the new superhero Nikita skin and motocross page. So here they are. I'd be most looking forward. I mean, if the news of these new skins that are out, the one I would look forward to the most is Marshall and maybe Police Supercar or Muscle Car. I mean, Police Muscle Car and Marshall are the ones I'd look forward to the most. And then here's the motocross page. So this is one of the new Nikita cards. Let's just go with let's give this a try now. Okay. Oh! Oh! So there's the superhero and the other one, the motocross page. And I'm hopeful now that Marshall and the Police Muscle Car will appear soon, because I want that one the most. Of the new offers type thing, I want that one the most. Oh. Okay, but anyway. So that's the new skit, that's the superhero Nikita and motocross anyway.